For 80 years, she lay siling in the crushing dark, a steel tomb forgotten by time.
The structural integrity is better than we hoped. We can bring her up.
Raising a ghost requires more than machinery. It requires a respect for the history she carries.
Now the real work begins. We have to stop the clock on 80 years of decay.
Every dent tells a story of the pressure she endured. We cannot lose a single detail.
Step by step, we strip away the ocean's grip to find the original steel beneath.
There it is. The hull number. This confirms everything we suspected about her final mission.
She looks like she could dive again tomorrow. You did good work, engineer.
No longer a secret of the abyss, she stands now as a monument to those who served.
History is not what we lose to the sea, but what we choose to bring back to the light.
We didn't just save a ship, did we? We saved the only evidence left of their courage.
The metal was so brittle. I still wonder how it held together during the lift.
These scans will allow generations to explore the wreck without ever disturbing the ocean floor.
It took 5 years of planning and 6 months of restoration to reach this single afternoon.
Everything is exactly where it should be. The history is safe now.
We are the guardians of the past, ensuring that no story is ever truly sunk.
Coffee's on me. We've earned it.
Recovering the past is a journey that never truly ends. It just finds a new home.
Every sunrise brings a new perspective to what we once thought was lost forever.
Back at the site, the ocean is already reclaiming the space she once occupied.
It's strange seeing this place empty. It feels like the heart of the hangar is gone.
The hull was just the shell, these small pieces.
We use the tools of the future to rescue a piece of the past.
She's secure. She'll stay right here as long as this building stands.
Thousands will walk these halls, each finding their own meaning in the iron.
Until the next wreck, then.
Safe travels, archaeologist.
Memory is a bridge between the light of the present and the shadows of what came before.
Because some secrets are worth keeping, and others are worth bringing home. For every vessel we find, 1,000 more remain hidden in the silence.
She was the hardest project of my career, and the one I will miss the most.
The data is preserved. Now, she belongs to the world.
What once struck fear into hearts now invites only wonder and reflection.
Close it up, we're done here.
You're home now. Sleep well.
In the end, we are all just keepers of the light, holding back the dark of forgetting.
History remains. The sea remembers. And now, so do we. Even as we leave, the ocean keeps its hold on the secrets we could not reach.
The tools are still, but the iron remembers the heat of the work.
The story isn't just in the steel. It's in the records we leave for the future.
Systems down. She's ready for her new life.
Walking beside her now, it's hard to believe she ever belonged to the dark.
You did her justice, lead engineer.
We both did, archaeologist.
She will stand here for another 80 years, and 80 more after that.
Our work here is finished. The rest is for the world to see.
For even in the deep, nothing is ever truly forgotten. It only waits to be found.
Discovery is not the end of the journey. It is the beginning of a conversation between generations.
She held 80 years of salt. Couldn't take that away from us.
In these small details, we find the fingerprints of the men who built her and the sea that tried to claim her.
Every entry is a promise kept. The dead are no longer nameless.
For every ghost we bring home, the ocean holds 1,000 more in her cold embrace.
On to the next one. But there will never be another like her.
We gave them back their names. That's enough for today.
The sea gives, and the sea takes.
But history
is what we choose to keep.
Time moves forward, but here it stands still. Every visitor becomes a witness to the depths.
The magnification reveals microfractures in the weld here. This is exactly where the structural integrity would first begin to fail under pressure.
In the darkness, the ghosts of the deep feel a little closer to the surface. We took what we could, but the ocean always keeps a part of the story for herself.
Some things aren't meant for the displays.
History is not a place you visit. It's a weight you carry into the light.
The sea gives, and the sea takes.
In a world that moves too fast, she remains our steady link to the silent world below.
Every project leaves a mark on you. This one went deeper than most.
We didn't just save the ship, we saved the context. The site remains, even if the vessel is here.
She is no longer a weapon of war. She is a witness to the human spirit's resilience.
For the records, the recovery is complete. The history is home.
Keep her dry. She's seen enough water for 10 lifetimes.
We are the bridge between the depths and the light. We remember, so they are never lost.
The end. Fade to black.
She is ready for the next 100 years. Our watch is over.
Every data point is a saved memory. The abyss can no longer hide her.
The shipyard is silent now, but the air still carries the smell of iron and the heat of the work.
History is not what is lost, but what we choose to bring back to the light. Fade out.